Hi guys, Mimi G here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm just going to be talking about my latest DIY make, which is this knit leopard dress that I made using McCall's 8551. This was a really fun project. I did it in a couple of hours one night. And it's so cute. It turned out really, really cute. I'm obsessed with this leopard print. And if you just saw my previous video on Monday, which was my Joann haul, you'll see that I bought more of this exact fabric because I'm gonna make my Simplicity pattern, the little tank dress, which is one of my latest release patterns. And I'm also going to try and squeeze out a pair of flared leggings out of the yardage that I bought. So we will see. This is a pretty easy dress to put together. The pattern is not complicated at all. There was just one thing that I omitted. Now, the bodice is fully lined, so it has you add interfacing to the very front. So let me show you on the dress. So it has you interface this area here. And I did it initially, but because when I tried it on, my fabric is very, very stretchy. And of course I wanted it very, very fitted on my body because that's how it's meant to be. And I just noticed that even using the knit interfacing, it didn't quite move the same. I didn't like the way that it sort of just like sat really flat in that area. And honestly, I didn't see a need for the interfacing there at all. So I ended up taking it out. And once I put the dress back on, it fit and was much more comfortable. So up to you, but I omitted that interfacing piece that they have you add here. They also have you interfacing these two pieces of the sleeves. So if you can see here, I'm trying to look on my monitor to make sure you guys can see. Okay. So this little piece here, okay, for the front, and then this little piece here for the back are both interfaced. Now that I did keep. I did interface them and I did keep it for two reasons. One is it just lends to the structure of this, the stability of it. And also because depending on the knit that you're using, knit fabric when hanging can feel a little heavy. And so what you don't want is for it to be pulling on this part of your shoulder. And so I found that keeping the interfacing here worked really well and just kept it very stable and very structured where it needed to be. The rest was, like I said, easy peasy, nothing super complicated about this. I've actually already made the dress again in a red rib knit, but I haven't photographed or filmed it yet, but I will this week, just so you guys can see it. The only difference for that one is that I made the sleeves short, and I did add about an inch of length to the skirt. Now, I didn't mind this. I'm going to show you guys how it looked on me in a minute. I like how short and mini it is. I think it's super cute just the way it was. But I did just want to make it a little different. So I added like 1 inch to the red one. Honestly, I don't even think you can notice. It's still short. But I really enjoyed making this dress. I love anything that's like a quick project. I don't have to like think too much as I'm sewing. Sometimes I just want something quick and easy. And this was perfect for that. They also have the sleeveless view, and they have sort of a longer view for the skirt with a slit. I don't know that I would make this again because, like I said, I've already made it twice, but you never know. Sometimes when I really love a pattern, I'll make it again. But I don't plan on making it again anytime soon because there are other patterns and projects that I want to get to, specifically this one. This is Nomi 2114 by Lindsay. And I really love this vest and this little mini skirt. And so I do want to make this. I have some fabric in there that I used when I made, what did I make? Oh, my red Sew It Academy jeans. But I love it. It's still on the blackbirdfabrics.com website. So I will link to that fabric in the description box below because you guys asked about it also when I posted my red Sew It Academy jeans. And so I went ahead and ordered more of it. I'm also kind of obsessed outside of the leopard print with red. Like I have purchased recently anyway, a lot of red fabric. So I think this little 2-piece set in that red denim is going to be really, really cute. So I'm going to try and cut that today. We'll see how far I get. I do have some other work related stuff that I got to do. So I don't know if I'm going to get to it today, but I am going to try to at least get the pattern cut out, do a test fit, mostly on the vest because I do want it to fit very well. So I will probably do a muslin test run just on the vest so I can get an idea of how it's going to fit and if I want to make any adjustments before cutting my fabric. But anyway, without further ado, this is the little leopard knit dress on me. Like I said, she's really cute and a very comfortable dress because it's a stretchy knit and I just think it's adorable. The red one came out really cute as well. It's in a rib knit, so I will photograph and do a reel of me wearing the red dress sometime this week so you guys can see it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace.